continue looking at some more problems. Example number 5, we have 3 equations. Everything seems to be in standard form except that I don't have a z value here in the third equation. So if it doesn't even appear, then that means that we have 0 z's. 0 z. And so we will use that because we can't leave a blank in our matrix. So let's go ahead and write this again, starting with x, then y, then z, colon, constant. We have a 1, 1, 1, and a 19 in the second row. And finally, we have a 4, a -9, 0, -2. So when you don't see the variable show up at all, there are 0 of that variable. We're still dealing with 3 equations, and so we have 3 rows and 4 columns again. Let's look at example number 6 now. The very first thing that I notice is that the first equation doesn't have an x value. It starts with y. So that means that I again need to insert a 0, but this time for an x value. That's the only thing that is not truly in standard form. So I'm ready to go ahead and write my matrix. 0, 3, 4, -12, 6, 8, -9, 32, -1, remember that there is a coefficient of 1 anytime that you don't see another number, 5, -2, and 1. This is also a 3 by 4 matrix because we have 3 rows and 4 columns.